Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today we're currently back out here taking another quick look at my 2000 Ford Excursion here. More specifically, my 05 through 07 headlight conversion. I went ahead and completed about a week ago. Alrighty guys, so a little bit of a backstory on Excursions. For those guys that did not already know, mine's a 2000. These were made from 2000 to 2005 and then they were discontinued. In 2005 they did get the facelift, which did include these headlights, but since mine is a 2000 here, to do the 05 through 07 headlight conversion, you're going to need to do some cutting. As you guys can see on our 07 F350 here, these original chrome ones which came on the truck look pretty good. But what I went ahead and did was bought some 05 through 07 knockoff Harley Davidson tinted headlights here. And with this, you're going to need to buy some extra bulbs, and I'll get into all that, and you're going to need to do some cutting. Now the Excursions here are based off of a 99 through 04 F250/F350 platform. So they originally came with these junk two-piece ugly looking headlights. So in order to do this conversion, if you want these nice looking 05 through 07 headlights, you're going to need to do some cutting. And you know, that didn't really scare me, so I went ahead and did some cutting, and now I have the 05 through 07 headlights. These ones fitted a little weird on this side. As you guys can see, there's a little bit of a gap here. I don't know, I think it's just this side's a little bit more slanted down because this side is a lot more flush than the other side, but it doesn't really bother me unless you're looking like up close. As you guys can see, a little more of a gap. I don't know, we cut the exact same on both sides. I mean, it's never going to be perfect unless you're a little bit far away, but when you're right up close to it, you know, it'll look a little bit off. I think that's the same with most people's because you're cutting. It's not going to be completely perfect, but I don't know, we marked up just about the same on both sides and cut out just about the same, so it's about as good as it's going to get. I was going to wait to make this video until I got my 6.4 mirrors, but you know, those things are a little bit expensive, so I'll make a separate video on those. It's actually extremely simple to do a tow mirror conversion if you want newer tow mirrors. Like I was going to get the 6.4 style square tow mirrors, and those will look really good with my 05 through 07 headlights. So I was going to order the headlights, do them, and then at the same time do my mirrors, but it didn't really work out that way, so I did the headlights first, and I have yet to order my mirrors, but I'm going to, and then I'll make actually a video of me doing it because it's really just as simple as you're gonna need to take off your door panel, which kind of sucks, but I've already done it to do my door speakers, so that doesn't really bother me. And then you just pop off that, and then you can get the bolts to these, and then there's some wires that feed into the door for your mirror control and your heated mirrors and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and we're gonna get to that. I'm gonna real quick show you guys all I had to cut. You know, it really wasn't too much. So behind here, there's one square here, and a little circle here. I remember it. And then you just cut off those, and then you're almost fitted up. But the headlights can't go back quite far enough, so you're not gonna need to chop the metal, but just the fiberglass, just a little square out. It's just that simple, and then it will pop right in. And you do the same on the other side, but with this side, it didn't really fit as well as the first time we did it the other side, but it still looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go in. I still have all the trash, my old headlights and stuff. I'll show you guys. So just remember this look real quick, and then I'm going to the garage real quick and show you guys all I had to cut out, as well as the old ugly looking two-piece headlights, which are also mismatched because a while back, I forget who was driving this thing, but someone hit a deer in it, and then it busted up one headlight on this side. So when we took it to the shop to get just a new headlight, they did it, but it was a newer headlight, so it was mismatched from this side, so it looked bad. So now that they're actually matching, it looks a lot better. And of course they're 05 through 07 one-piece headlights, so they look way better. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head into the garage and just go over everything I took off, and this is really, and everything you need as well. So you're going to need originally these are clear because the bottom piece on the originals are orange, so all you need is just a clear bulb to light it up, and then since it's already amber, it'll just light up amber for your blinker. But when you're upgrading to these, it's already going to be clear, so you're going to need amber bulbs on both sides. and there's no like converting or anything that you need. However, with this one, you're gonna need H13 bulbs and a separate wiring harness, the pigtails, to plug into to fit your H13 bulbs. And I don't believe I'm forgetting anything else. You're also gonna need straight sockets to plug into these if you're going to have a bulb in them. Mine literally on both sides were missing bulbs, so I never even had these side marker lights anyway, which is a little weird. But yeah, I might get them sometime. I just put them back together without them in because, well, there was no bulbs to begin with and I had everything. So I was like, you know what, forget about the side markers. I never had them to begin with. There was no bulb in them. I got the straight sockets and everything, but there was just no bulbs to put in them. So yeah, it was a little weird, but I didn't know that till I took it apart. But I'm gonna head on into the garage here and show you guys everything I took off and replaced. And I already really went over everything you need, and I'll put a link to all of it in the description to make it easy, because there was a lot of hours of looking up videos and shopping to try to find everything, but really no one just had a video with everything linked in the description, all your parts, all your harnesses, your bulbs, and part numbers and stuff. And you know, that'd be a whole lot easier than having to go to car stores, and not car stores, that'd be a dealership, but you know, like O'Reilly's and CarQuest and stuff to try to find the parts. So yeah, I'm gonna head on into the garage here real fast, show you guys. Quick update on the 400DX here. It's a little bit taken apart. We are fixing that oil leak for those guys that were keeping along with the build process on that. But that's besides the point. I'll make a video on that later. Okay, well, my old two-piece headlights got thrown away. I don't know where they're at, along with all the pieces of fiberglass we had to cut out. You know, it was a fairly big pile, so I just wanted to show you guys what you'd have to get ready for if you had decided you wanted to do an 05 to 07 headlight conversion on your 99 through 04 F250 or 2000 through 04 Excursion. Because if you had an 05 Excursion, then you can just put in the new headlights. You don't have to do any cutting. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. That's it for this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.